Say hi. All aboard!
We're off.
We're leaving. Hold on. We're leaving.
Goodbye, America.
Any minute now, we're gonna leave, I swear. Any minute. Any minute. We're not moving yet, though. Hold on. Any minute now. Just say something funny.
Yeah, I don't have anything.
You see all the water over there kicked up by the engines? Yeah. That's Star Island, where all the stars live, I guess. There's Coast Guard, where Lance will never be on a boat. Tough job they have. They just sit there and wave at everybody all day. Okay. Well,
We'll come back
hey,
to
we're
you.
moving right now. We are moving now. Look at.
Oh, here we are.
Yeah.
We're moving. You probably can't tell because it's very mediocre. But
Snail's pace. Aren't they supposed to honk their horn?
he did for a minute. I'm sure he will once we're like in the water.
All right. Well, we'll see you guys in a couple days. Later.